Is it collected? It's clicked. Wait, which way to go? Well, cycling that way. Hello. Appreciate it. Yo. Wait. Cool. And put that. The hell is that? Or just 2 bacon slices and a bit of cheese.
It's a, yeah, it's a jacket with cheese and on top is 2 bacon.
Nice.
Hello.
Yeah, delivery. Oh.
Just bagging it out for you. Where have you sent?
Very now. 7480.
Yep, that's the one.
Just 3 items in there?
Yeah, yeah. Can
Good.
you see the number okay?
Good lids. I don't know, it depends on if my camera can.
I was going to say, because I'm ready to write it if you need it.
to go that way. I kind of don't want to go that way, but I'm going that way. Hello. Hello, coming through. Well, thank you. Yeah, I'd take a leaf out of the book and we're walking. Thank you. Do you want to check it's okay? Because it seems to have spilt underneath a little bit.
Oh, it's fine, yeah. It's not a...
Two bags. It's just tick and collect. Hello to you too. Woof woof woof.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
6'9".
Tick. Thank you. And the 2 duty covers, please.
Oh, hi.
Thank you. Have that.
Thank you.
Division.
That's how you ring out a call?
Each with a ticket on their back. First 40.
So you're right. So with the Lamborghini.
And keep it up with her for fudge sake. You're gonna have to overtake. Hello. I haven't got my phone on. Oh, I turned it off. Arrived. Do you want me to bring you closer to your door?
No, no. Get it fine.
Okay.
We're renovating that room in a moment.
Oh. Drinks seem all good. Thank you. Kind of for the dips.
How did you get it all the way over there?
Right there.
Very much.
That'd be all of it. Thank you very much.
I'll tip on the app, but I might up it. Doggy's inside! Inside!
Thank you very much for the super tip. Thank you. Take care. Parcels in here. Hello, delivery for you. And they meant to deliver it to the front door of the apartment for month 3. Oh, where's it going? Flat 30. And flat 3. I could do fire freezer on the door, but no. It's not my job. How the frick do I turn this around? Oh, let's lift it up. Shit. Okay. Oh. Thank you. Hello. Hi. Schwahi. hate sneezing. For fuck's sake. I'm gonna sneeze again though. Fuck off! Sorry, thank you. Are you dim? I'm gonna sneeze. I don't want to sneeze. Ugh. It's the right house, isn't it? Shit, wrong house. Sorry, I turned into a street too soon.
That's okay. Don't worry.
That got it. Cool. Thank you. Have a good evening.
Thank you.
See ya. That's why looking at the map like, move over! Wrong road, divvy! I'm okay, thanks. Definitely better in the than in the winter, though.
53 to go.
Thank you. Hope you have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
See ya. Thank you for the tip on the app. Cool. 1 or 2 bags. That should be the drinks. Why did it take so fucking long to turn off? Yes, far out. This is it. Yes, look. What the hell?
Oh yeah, thank you.
No worries, just like that.
Cheers.
And the 2G covers though, please. Thank you. My glasses are falling down. Cool, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Have a good one. Excuse me, Mr. Kitty Cat, I need to go on through. Very much appreciated. Have a good day. I'm gonna go this way. I like it for that.
Cheers.
Thank the parcels. Oh, good. $88, $84, $84. England. 142. Hallelujah. Yeah, delivery. And the 2G covers, please.
6-2.
Awesome. Hope you enjoyed.
Cheers, buddy.
See ya. We're daddy. Free. Oh, you can hear me through the window. That. Delivery for you?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. One or two bags. And a bag on the usually code first, please.
14.
Oh dear, thank you. It was a 7, darn. Cool.
Thank you.
See ya. Yourself, take care. Hope this enjoyed. Well, if you made it this far into the video, I just did a delivery just before 11 PM. Holy moly, this is bright. Let's turn that down. It is now 23:34. I'm going home because after I did that delivery, I nearly pissed myself, but I managed to make it onto like a side path, but there was cars going past. They could definitely see me, but yeah. Thanks for watching. I had some bad news to the end it, but I've just stayed on the canal to like dry myself off so that the camera at my house doesn't like be like, he peed himself, but I'm doing this so you can all know that I dried myself off on the canal.